Hi, bestie. I'm back. All right, so I got a cash stuff $20 to close out the month of June. So if you cash stuff for this video, just might be for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, bestie. Welcome back. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm going to do my dot market savings challenge today. Supposed to have $20 left over for the week. So let's count this up to make sure it comes up to that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right. So I know I didn't do my dot market monthly challenge for the month of May. So I need to play catch up for May and June, and hopefully the $20 is enough for me to do the May and June. And then I know in the month of July I will still be playing catch up. Alright, so yeah. So it's $10 each for May and June, so I do have enough to complete that. But yeah, so I know I have to do my monthly scratch off because I didn't do my monthly scratch off in May or June. So that will be something that I'll be working on in the month of July. Okay, so I did bring my dot markers in here, like the ones I like to dab in this book. Totally forgot to bring that. So I do have my smaller dot markers that I'll just have to color in the circles today. But I need to get my pink fluted cash envelope binder so I can add that to this. Alright, so this savings challenge book here is available on Amazon if you want the printed version, but I do have the printable available on Etsy, so if you're interested in that. Alright, so, and I will try to leave a link if you want to see the flip through of this savings challenge workbook, because you will be able to save over $5,000 with this book. Alright, so let me go ahead and color this in. I chose this pink because May is for Mother's Day. So let me go ahead and do pink for this one. And I think I'm going to do this blue, this like turquoise blue for June for Father's Day. And if you need any free challenges, check out my Ko-Fi shop. I have the information in the description. I do have the July challenges available already on Ko-Fi. I uploaded those a couple of weeks ago. So I'll be uploading some August challenges soon to Ko-Fi, like the back to school freebies soon. Alright, so let me go ahead and add this to this envelope here. And then basically, I'm almost done, besties. I'm just so glad to be back. It's been so much going on since the month of May. It's just been absolutely crazy. It's just been so crazy. And a lot of some of the money that I have had saved, I used that money to help out my daughter DM fees and insurance fees. It's over $1,000 for that. And it's just always something. And for the month of June, my focus has been paying off the real estate taxes. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, turn your notification bells, hype my video up. Alright, bestie. Toodles!